This is problem 38 of exam 1 review, and if you notice, the function is a product of two functions. One is a linear function, 8 minus 8 theta is linear, and the second function is the hyperbolic tangent. So this is a derivative that will require the use of product rule. The product rule says if we want to get the derivative of f times g, which are two differentiable functions in terms of x, then we can go f prime times g plus g prime times f. It doesn't really matter which order you go because addition is commutative. Okay, so we get the derivative of the first function times the second plus the derivative of the second times the first. Also, we need to use the derivative of hyperbolic tangent u, and it's given as u prime over 1 minus u squared. I am allowing you to use this formula in the exam because we just took hyperbolic functions as one section and we didn't have all the time to prove all of these beautiful results. Okay, so you can use the formula sheet for hyperbolic functions, except the integral part, which we will discuss in chapter 8. Okay, for the time being you can use all of those. Here we go. So y prime is equal to, the derivative of 8 is 0, the derivative of negative 8 theta is negative 8, times hyperbolic tangent of theta, plus, we now copy the linear function, 8 minus 8 theta, and the derivative of hyperbolic tangent theta is equal to the derivative of theta, which is 1, over 1 minus theta squared. So all we will do is simplify this, and that's it. Okay, so negative 8 times hyperbolic tangent of theta plus, we can write this as a single fraction, 8 minus 8 theta over 1 minus theta squared, and then we can do some simplification here, algebra. Okay, here we go. Negative 8 hyperbolic tan of theta, we can factor out the 8 in the numerator and we get 1 minus theta. The denominator is a difference of two squares, which is factorable into 1 minus theta times 1 plus theta, and so your final answer is negative 8 hyperbolic tan of theta plus 8 over 1 plus theta. You can write that in another form by factoring out the 8 and say 1 over 1 plus theta minus hyperbolic tan of theta. Answer. I apologize, I just realized that I forgot writing the h, so it should be 8 times 1 over 1 plus theta minus hyperbolic tan, inverse hyperbolic tan, okay, theta. So I forgot the h there.